So this move is a quickie for releasing your knee and your calf muscles if they're really tight. And I like to use the big ball for this. We often use the black balls, which are smaller, and those work great too. But you'll see it's a little different with the big ball. It's easy too. What you want to make sure is that this is straight on, that your foot's not doing this. So get the top of the foot really open. I'm going to lean forward. I'm going to get this ball right in the back of the joint. And you have to hold on, and you have to place it right between the two calf muscles, and then I sink my hip back towards my heel and weight back, and then I just release a little tension here, and I weight back on that, and I release a little tension here, and I can just lean back and take a little tension out of there and just extend that out, and that just released all those tendons and made a lot of space behind my knee, and it feels really good. Try it and do both sides.